Today I've got an interesting topic to share with you. In this tutorial I will show you how you can install OpenCV 3.2.0 on your Raspberry Pi. Uh, I will be including a cheat sheet in this tutorial that will contain all the comments that you can copy and paste to your Raspberry Pi terminal, and if you follow all the steps you will complete the setup process successfully. And mind it can take up to 3 to 3.5 hours depending on the clock speed of your Raspberry Pi or the version of your Raspberry Pi, and as well as the internet speed that you are using with your Raspberry Pi. So let's get started. Once your Raspberry Pi is booted up, open this file. I will include this file in the description box below. This is a cheat sheet, and all you need to do is copy all the instructions as it is from this cheat sheet and paste it on the Raspberry Pi terminal and execute each of them. Mind it that this whole process can take about 3 to 3.5 hours depending on the speed of your Raspberry Pi, and by speed I mean the version and the clock speed of your Raspberry Pi. As you can see, I have already installed everything on my Raspberry Pi, so this process is going on very smooth, and you need to do it like this. You can just fast forward this part and go where I will be installing the CMake file. These all comments are basically installing all the packages that are required for running the OpenCV on your Raspberry Pi. So do not miss any of the following steps, as it might result in the OpenCV not being installed on your Raspberry Pi. So make sure that you install each and every step. Here you can see that you need to reboot your Raspberry Pi to activate the firmware. So you need to reboot your Raspberry Pi and then continue with the other steps. Now from this step onwards, do it as it has been said in the cheat sheet. So you need to just need to paste all the comments that is given here, so that won't be a very difficult task to do. And here you will see that all the process that I am doing here will have an error. That's because I have already made the CMake file on my Raspberry Pi, so I will get an error for every step from make J4 step, but you will not have that error. It will come, the process will complete successfully on your Raspberry Pi if you copy and paste everything as it is shown here. So you do not worry that I am getting an error, that means you will also get an error. That's not the case. And I have included this make J4 as this command speeds up your process for installing the make file. I bet this is the easiest and the shortest method to install OpenCV on your Raspberry Pi. If you go through all the steps carefully, there should not be any error, because I have done it and I have not got any error up till now. So here you can see I am importing the OpenCV2 and checking if it is successfully installed on my system. Yeah, so as you can see, the CV2 is completely installed on my system, and you can use it as you may like. Now here is just an example to show you that OpenCV actually works on my system. Here I have written a code that can identify the traffic signs and whatever you show to the Raspberry Pi camera, and it will show you the exact sign that is being shown to the camera. Like I am showing the stop sign, and you can see in the bottom left corner the stop is being showed here over here. So OpenCV is running. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn about this code that I have written on my Raspberry Pi for your project or anything, just drop a comment down below and I will show you how you can do it. I will also explain everything. Thanks for watching.